Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nitya Octavialedi, a student of English Education. Today, I would like to present my digital learning media entitled Tappy Learn and Play. Learn narrative text through story mapping and puzzle game. Media ini saya buat untuk membantu siswa memahami teks naratif bahasa Inggris secara lebih menarik dan interaktif. As you know, many students find it difficult to understand the structure and content of narrative text because they are not actively engaged in the process. So the purpose of this media is to make narrative learning more fun and visual, to support student understanding through story mapping technique, and to enhance their motivation by using interactive puzzle game.
Watch the animated story, Jack and the Beanstalk, below carefully. Then, practice retelling the story out loud in your own words. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jack who lived with his mother in a One day,
They were very poor, and the only thing they owned was a very old cow.
in this activity, you will practice identifying key parts of a narrative using the classic story Jack and the Beanstalk. Drag and drop the story elements into the correct section of the narrative structure, beginning. Jack climbs the beanstalk and finds a castle in the clouds. Jack, H. Jack traded the cow for 5 magic beans. Jack chopped the beanstalk with an axe. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jack who lived with his mother in a tiny cottage. They were very poor and only had one old. Read all the plot cards above the slots. Drag each card into the slot where it belongs, in the correct plot order. Use the following plot sequence. 1. Exposition. Meet the main character in a small village. Something strange starts to happen. The danger fades away. Everything returns to normal, or does it? A big showdown begins.